Todd's Country Corner, Sunday night at 6 o'clock. We call this one the Newlywed Show, because Champ John and Jane Blankenship came all the way from Nashville, and everybody and his brother showed up. Enjoy.
Smell everybody. But I ain't ever been surrounded by guys like this before.
I'll tell you what. We're up here at Carmine's Country Corner with a very special kind of a show. We calling it the Newlywed Show because my very good friend Johnny Blankenship and his lovely wife Jane Ann got married last Monday. And I was the best man.
You was.
And you know what I sang for the first dance? The one of the first dance, I sang Clayton Delaney. And you guys danced to it.
Clayton, I remember the year Clayton
Delaney
died.
That was it, that's right.
That was our first dance song.
Well, Johnny, how's it going so far?
Well, I think I'm going to like
You
it.
had a good one? Well, she's a beautiful lady, and that bass sitting right there in front of JD belongs to that fine-looking woman. And
Oh,
we're going
yes,
to get
it
her
does.
up here in a little bit, and she's
Yes,
going to
we
play
are.
some stuff.
Oh, yes, she's going to hit me out.
Okay, so do you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Save the good ones for her now on bass. She's going to play bass with you, so save the good stuff.
Okay. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, we got Bob Gothel on guitar. Cody Bryant finally showed up after I don't know how many weeks, but we're so happy to have him. Of course, Gary Swan. Jerry McWhorter surprised us. He's got his lovely wife Jan with him today. And love you, Jan. Nice to see you. Yeah, he just did a walk-on, so, you know, Palmer's playing drums, so Jerry just went out and grabbed a snare drum and a couple of wire brushes and said, I'm just going to play along.
Lordy mercy.
So this is great. Of course, Cody, I already said hi to Gary. Love you, man. Thanks for being here. Jerry, thank you. Palmer? I'm gonna say, I don't want to say the best for last, but he's a good one. Paul, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
How's the family?
Family's good. Carl, you came here.
I just saw it. Every time she walks in, I think the lights get a little brighter. She has a certain electricity about it. So anyway, now, kind of like one of the stars of the show, my good friend JD Manis. How you doing, brother? How's that Desert Rose thing going over there in Nashville in the museum?
It's supposedly doing well.
I've got to get there this next August. It's there for a couple of years, right?
3 years.
That'll be there for 3 years, folks. Try to get by the, is it the Musicians Hall of Fame or is it the regular Hall of Fame?
Regular all.
Oh, it's the big one. The Hall of Fame, Desert Rose Band, and they got some of JD's equipment. One of your
what
outfits
do they
is there,
got?
I think, stuff like that.
What do they got here there?
What?
What do they have at JD's over there?
An outfit, and then a steel, one of his guitars. And,
You know, I perform there. I'm no hillbilly,
And a hubcap off of a 44.
Well,
but I will come
yes.
by and see that.
Well, I've been there, but I haven't seen his. I haven't seen your setup. So this August, when Sue and I take our trip and go to Nashville, we're gonna make sure and go by take some pictures of that. That'd be fun to have. Okay, I'm doing too much talking. Special show tonight. We're gonna go for an hour and a half. We're gonna go till 7:30 because I've got so many people. Johnny, hit us. Whatever you
All right, here's the good old country shuffle called I'll Be There If You Ever Want Me by Your Side. Key C, boys. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ain't no chain strong enough to hold me, ain't no breeze big enough to slow me, never have seen a river run too wide. Ain't no jail tight enough to lock me, ain't no man big enough to stop me. I'll be there if you ever want me by your side. Again.
show.
I'll tell you what, ain't nothing better than a fast horse, a pretty woman, and a good country song. Not necessarily all in that order either.
So, did you get a shot of that wedding cake and the little thing with the cookies? We set up just a small little thing for the people to celebrate their first week anniversary,
7
which
days.
is going to be tomorrow. And they said it wouldn't last. But anyway, we're hanging.
I think everybody gets to lick the cake.
You want to do one more, and then maybe you want to let
Yeah.
Janie do a couple? We'll bring her up and back. And
Should we
forth
do
if
a
we
nice
want to.
love song?
You do whatever you want to do.
All right. You see, what am I going to do with the rest of my life? 2, 3, 4. I can make it for a day or two without you. Maybe I can make it through the night. I can laugh, I can joke, probably be alright till morning. But what am I gonna do for the rest of my life? I got things I can do, places I can go to this evening. I got whiskey I could drink, it'll help me not to think about your leaving. I can laugh, I can joke, probably be alright until morning. But what am I gonna do with the rest of my life? I got a little I got things I can do, places I can go to this evening. I got some whiskey I could drink, it'll help me not to think about your leaving. I can drink and I can smoke, probably be alright until morning. What am I gonna do with the rest of my life? Hey, what am I gonna do with the rest of my life? Oh! All righty, thank you.
Mighty fine.
Paul,
Yes, sir.
let's do one.
Do it.
Now, Johnny, you're just going to get the pick on the next one. You don't have to sing, so we can play a little.
Well, all right.
All right.
Well, in honor of Johnny being here, we're gonna do Bye Bye Johnny.
Hey!
Oh, that's what we did a while ago?
Yeah. Bobby's got the intro.
Well, I'll be going bye-bye pretty soon.
Back to Nashville.
Back to Tennessee.
She drew all money from the soul trust.
coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and like Gary says, he'd give him away if his wife would let him. I love that line. Johnny, I saw you had your harmonica out, and I guess Paul failed to see it, so you didn't get to ride on that one. But on the next one,
on the end of it.
and you sounded mighty
That's
fine.
probably all you wanted to hear.
Well, I don't know. It all sounded good to me. Hey, we're going to be back at Knott's Berry Farm next month. We're starting up there again for the next 2 or 3 months. But you're not in on that, are you? Because you've got to get back to the ranch.
I do.
Well, he's got a beautiful place up there, right outside, about 100 miles outside of Nashville. What's the name of that town?
Crossville.
Crossville. It's a beautiful part of the world, I got to tell you.
Yeah, the name of our little spread is called the Wits End.
I love that. That's good. Well, make a happy home back there with your new bride.
Yes.
Get the horses and...
We remodeled the house since you was there.
I saw some pictures and it was amazing. I was there last year and it was great.
We'll all be stopping by.
Oh yeah,
Very short.
Right on.
Well, you know, come on by.
That house, he's got plenty of room, believe me. Okay, so real quick, Johnny, do another one. I'm gonna let you're gonna feature tonight because you're leaving town and I'm gonna miss you again. Damn it.
Okay, let's go back to the 50s and do Jambalaya and the
And
Kid D.
after this one, maybe we'll give Jane.
Okay, sure.
Just keep going for a while.
D.
Yeah, no. 1, 2, come on. If I drove, me got to go, me on my own. Me gotta go, pull some hero down the barrel. My E-bomb, sweetest one, me on my own. Son of a gun, we'll have a bunch of fun on that barrel. Sit jambalaya, fish pie, Billy Gumbo. Park night, I'm gonna see my machete. The guitar, filter jar, and me a son of a gun, we'll have a fun on the barrel. All right.
You know, when I was introducing everybody, we got two, how many people we got? 8, something? Anyway, I talked about Jerry getting his snare drum, but Jerry started the very first show with us and was with us for a good year and a half or 2 years before he quit doing it. But you know what he did? He left his drum set. And so all the drummers we hire now, I tell them, don't bring anything, just, you know, I like the way they're tuned, I like the way they are. There's no cymbals, there's no toms, there's nowhere to go but time. And, you know, and they struggle with that, a lot of them, but that's got nothing to do with anything. Anyway, these guys are great. Hey, they just switched. Palmer went to the snare drum and Jerry went to the half a set. Anyway, so we're going to do an hour and a half tonight. I'm having a ball with all these guys. You want to bring Jane up?
Why, certainly.
Okay, well, come on up. The newly
All right.
lady.
Yes, sirree. We've been married all of 7 days, and she's already told me to turn my guitar down. It's too loud. Oh yes.
Go right there, make yourself at home, honey. I met Jane down at Knott's Berry Farm a few years ago, and she's just great. She's a lot of fun. She's a good lady. Sue loves her. Susie and I, we all became good friends. She and Johnny hit it up, and well,
Yeah,
I don't know. You got lucky again.
I did, didn't I? No, I didn't get lucky. I got blessed.
You got blessed and
I
lucky.
got blessed.
All right, Jane.
Alrighty, we're gonna do an up-tempo
Have fun.
song here. I left something turned on at home, but I brought her with me tonight.
Good.
Can you see, boys? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause I hate to leave good company. My baby just called me on the phone. From the sound of her voice, I simply got no choice. I left something turned on at home. Well, it ain't so
a bass player we have right now.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Sound wonderful.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Yes, sir. Let's do an oldie, boys, but a good one. It's in the key of D, called "Good-Hearted Woman." Go like this: 2, 3, 4. A long time forgotten, our dreams that just fell by the way. And the good life he promised ain't what she's living today. She never complains about bad times or the bad things he's done. Just talks about the good times they've had, all the good times to come. He's a good-hearted woman in love with a good-time man. She loved him in spite of his wicked ways. She don't understand. Through teardrops and laughter, they'll pass through this world hand in hand. This good-hearted woman, loving the good time in man. He likes the nightlife, bright lights and good time and friends. When the party's all over, she welcomes him back home again. She don't understand him. She does the best that she can. This here good-hearted woman, loving the good time in man. He's a good-hearted woman in love with a good time in man. She loved him in spite of his wicked ways. She don't understand. Teardrops and laughter will pass through Hey, we're gonna do one more.
Johnny and Jane Blankenship, the Newlyweds. Love you guys.
We're gonna do one.
Do another one. Do whatever you want.
Ace in the Hole in the key of C.
Hey.
Huh? Key of C, Ace in the Hole. 1, 2, You got to have an ace in the hole. Little secret, ain't nobody know. Life is a gamble, it's a game that we all play. Well, we gotta save something for that rainy day. You got to learn to play your cards right. You expect to win in life. Don't you lay it on out. Just one more. You got to have an ace in the hole. You got to have an ace in the hole. Little secret, ain't nobody know. Life is a gamble, it's a game that we all play. But you gotta save yourself something for the rainy day. You got to learn to play your cards right. If you expect to win in life. No matter what you do, no matter where you go, you got to have an ace in the hole. You got to have an ace in the hole. Oh yeah! Let's hear it for my lovely bride right there, Miss Jane Ann Monroe Blankenship. Well, that's a mouthful, ain't it?
She was locking it down, wasn't she? She was right in the groove.
Yeah. Wicked.
You got another one, or you want to?
No, go ahead on.
Go ahead.
Let's-
You want someone else to do one?
We got, yeah, we got a bunch of guys.
Okay. You want to keep? Paul. I guess you're done. I wasn't sure what was going on there for a minute. I completely lost control of the show, like I ever have control of the show. She's been working, hasn't she? Paul? How about a hand for Jane? Jane Ann. Gary, do a song. Johnny and I want to pick behind you a little bit.
Who do you want?
doing that. Don't even think about it. Don't even hum it. Don't even hum that song on this show. Swanee.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache win. Today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think that I could get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst was yet to come. Crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, let my heartache mend. And today I started loving you again. Make it pretty, Jane.
some of that steel.
Gary Merle would be proud. I gotta tell you, you did a good job on that song.
And it's so rare to get to play with JD, and he's killing it on that steel. Lord have mercy. All these great players today, come
Yeah,
on.
man, they all showed up. Bob and Cody walked on, and you don't say no. You know, you just say, come on in. And JD was already booked. We knew we had Johnny coming and his lovely wife, so we knew we had the whole thing handled. And then to put a little extra cherry on top, Bob showed up, and then a little more whipped cream. And old Cody Bryant showed up.
Yes, sir.
And here we are. What a band, what a band. Having
And
a
you know
ball.
what? Just don't call anybody from now on.
Well, you know,
They'll show up.
yeah, they'll show up. Steve Travato is supposed to be here next week.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're having a great time. I'm going to sing one a little later. What time is it? Oh, it's we still got a little over a half hour. Cause we're going to 7:30 tonight, folks. Special wedding show, newlywed show for lovely Jane and my good friend Johnny. Now I've known Johnny. I think I might have met JD before I met Johnny, but I met her very close together. We're two of the oldest friends.
1972.
72. I might have met you before that. I don't know. But anyway, it was awfully close.
Yeah, I met you in 1972 on a Thursday night at George's Roundup
It was.
at 9:47.
You know. After that experience we had down there with you, I'm going to tell you the ride home was a lot longer than the ride down there. I got to tell you. But we had a ball. We'll tell you that story some other time. It was great. Bob, you want to sing one?
My voice right now is a little bit on the harsh side.
Okay,
I don't know
so
if I
it's-
have it in me.
so
But we
it's-
have plenty of vocalists,
Okay, so that's a no.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now we can get back to the show now that I got it cleared up. I wasn't sure where it was going. But
No, I can't
no,
sing.
I love it. Cody, come on, do something.
I'll do one after Paul does one.
We have a new show director here, folks. It's now the Cody Bryant Show. Okay.
Don't shoot anymore.
Well, which is fine with me, 'cause I love the guy. Okay, Paul. All right.
You're cheating, Hart. Key of C.
Hey.
I'm going to do the second verse, so
Do it right. Just
be
say
ready for it. 5511. 2, 1, 2. Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through.
We got Jerry McWhorter. He's going to sing one. I don't know why I didn't ask him to. He didn't have a mic, but now we're going to get him one here in a minute. Now they're going to rebuild the set here for a minute. Okay, we almost got it. Hey, we're here at Bob's Material Order. I am having a ball tonight. Cody, love you, man. I was good stuff at the VFW the other night. We had a ball. I hope you start doing that. Let us know when. We'll put the word out. They come down, and boy, they are really working hard. We're going to do I'm Ready in the key of G, and Jerry McWhorter, I was best man at his wedding. Susie was maid of honor to Jan, and I was best man for Jerry at his wedding. How many years ago was that, Jerry?
How many years is it?
Well, yeah, you're married since
You're
you're
on the
married.
spot now. You're on the spot.
29 years.
You know, the young guy once asked a very old man, he said, "Sir, I just got married like a week ago." And he said, you know what I mean? But he was a young man, Johnny. We've been around that block. But anyway, real quick, he asked the old man, he said, I want to be married a week. How long you been married? The guy said, 68 years. I married my childhood, my high school sweetheart. He said, wow. He said, let me ask you a question now. What do you do when you fight? And the guy said, well, we only fought once. He said, you only fought once in 68 years? And the old man said, yeah, that's right. And the kid said, well, who won? And the old man said, well, we don't know. It's not over yet. So you see, you all learned the lesson tonight. All right. What do we got, Jerry?
G, sloppy rock and roll. Go to the floor on the chorus. G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
attention to the ending. Watch the ending. You ready?
Hey! Jump and shout on that song. So, where are we? Let's see.
We're at
Bob,
Carmine's
Bob,
Comedy Corner.
Bob just set his mic up tonight so he can tell me no, I can't sing.
Well, it's really
But
scratchy.
I know, I
It's
know.
all bad.
Now, don't even worry about it. We love you. You know that. Come by any time. Cody, you don't want to do one yet?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We got Cody going. What's this? When my wife walks towards me, I pay attention. What do you got?
I've got some charts for everybody, and if we just run through it a
What?
couple times before we
Yes.
actually do it for real, that'd be really great. Okay. P&G won the.
Wait,
That is going to
What?
challenge JD till this week.
I can't hear what she said. I'm sorry, I'm lost.
She says you're talking too much.
Well, I'm trying
Except
to
for
listen
this
to
time,
what
she
she's
says I'm
saying.
talking too much.
I want to tell you that Lexi and Monica in Canada are on here tonight.
Oh, well, Kim, you know, say Carmine loves you or say something. Lexi, we love you. Okay, great.
And you just said it too.
They just had a beautiful baby.
Yes, they did.
God, what a beautiful baby.
And also Beelan and also Ann.
Ann Gilbo. Ann, we love you, and we love Gib and all your children. You got a great family. And Gib wrote some great songs. Gib Gilbo, he was a hell of a fiddle player and good songwriter. Yeah, there's one in the cooler. Get him a water right there. Yeah, there you go. Yes, well, thank you all for watching, and we love you.
It's $6, Bob.
So there,
If you
I
could
got it
just,
out.
$6,
Who's doing
but
what?
we can get you. I'm doing you ain't going nowhere. Not fitting.
At least
And we're
not
gonna
for
have-
another 20
And
minutes.
we're gonna have JD start it. It's kind of a challenge for him. I'm not sure he's played it before, but I am certain.
He'll come up
I'm
with something.
certain it's gonna be great. One, Kia George. I guess that's there. George. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, do it again. It sounds so good.
right, however you would. All right. You did
Damn,
really
that's
good
some-
on that.
That's some good stuff. Johnny, you want to get Jane up here for a couple more?
Well, sure.
Do you have any others you can do? Jane, come on up real quick. Do a couple more with us, and then we'll close it out with whatever.
See?
We're having a hell of a good time tonight. I love this band, and there's nobody here that doesn't go back at least 35 years anyway. And
Be careful, baby. You're gonna don't turn your guitar loose. How do you just fix the strap on the back?
the back half at the drum. Yep,
There you go.
it's turned right. So I want to thank you for watching the show. Thanks for all the kind comments. This is our newlywed show with Jane and Johnny. And we got them a little cake there and some cookies. And after the show, we're all going to have a little something sweet to celebrate their new marriage and their new life. And we love you both and wish you all the luck in the world. You know that.
Yes.
And I'm coming to Tennessee.
All right.
I want to see your
Hey,
remodeled house.
we're gonna try to get a bash going when you come.
Get it going and
next
we'll
August. We're gonna see
have
if we can
fun.
get some of our picking buddies to come
Oh,
by and
that'd
just
be
have
great.
a jam session.
Sorry, Paul.
Out on
I got
that
Paul
48
locked in. Well, I didn't let him out, so hate to see you go. you know I love you.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Okay, so
Looking forward
you
to
two got the stage. I'm backing up.
Here's a Vern Gosden tune called "This Ain't My First Rodeo." Can't see. 2, 3, 4. Say your mama called and you must go. She's down in the bed and needs you so. You don't know if you'll be coming home or not. Honey, ain't your mama sick a lot? Lately your head hurts every night. Could it be you wear your clothes too tight? Since you don't seem to hear a single thing I say to do. But I know there's nothing I can do for you. This ain't my first rodeo. This ain't the first cowboy's been through. Ain't the first I've seen this dog on the show. This ain't my first rodeo. Somebody play. somehow it slipped right off your hand. And when I ask about them boxes stacked there by the door, say it's just some old things you don't wear no more. Well, I didn't make it all the way through school, but my mama, she didn't raise any food. And that may not be the handstand of our time. Honey, I'm not dumb and I'm not blind. This ain't my first rodeo. Ain't the first time this old cowboy's been through. This ain't the first I've seen this dog in my show. This ain't my first rodeo. This ain't my first rodeo. Oh yes. Hey, here's a pretty song. I want to do this for Janie. It's a Mark Chestnut tune, and it's called Old Country. So I want you to listen real close to the words, honey.
It's our story.
2, 3, 4. E. City sun goes down at night, making way for neon lights. Country boy is looking at the moon. City girl, she's dressed just right. She'll stay out late tonight. Country boy just plowed today till noon. From Birmingham to Ohio, how they met, nobody knows. Every now and then they get together. She used to want to climb the wall, never really been loved at all. Not until old country came to town. JD. He's the first one to the room. Ice and drinks will be up soon. Everything is perfect when she walks in. They kiss and hold each other tight. They know what's in store tonight. They're not someplace they have never been. From Birmingham to Ohio, how they met, nobody knew. Every now and then they get together. She used to want to climb the wall. She never really been loved at all. guitar caught it.
So perfect. It's like a heavy metal show around here. We break things and stuff. I love it. Okay, get it back over here where you belong, if you don't mind. Clean as a whistle around here tonight. Just want y'all to know. No, it works. I was kidding with it. Where's the front of this thing? I don't know if it's the gray side or the white. Hey. Hey, there it is. I guess that's it. Hey, can I do, what's that song I do? Swinging Doors? No, yeah, I got Swinging Doors to do fucking Clayton Delaney. I just did Clayton Delaney at his wedding. Is that Roy out there? No, that's Paul. Paul, I'm sorry. The lights are so bright. I forgot you weren't on bass. I thought that was. You're doing a great job.
That's high praise.
Hey, Paul, you want a vacation? I'm just kidding. What do we do? I'm gonna do Swinging Doors, I hope. This is swinging. 1, 2, 3. This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime. Okay, we're gonna go over after this. I want Paul back up here for one more. Go ahead, do it. Do another one with Jane.
Working Man Blues.
Okay, you got it.
TV. It's a big job just to get by with 9 kids in white. I've been a working man. Dang near all my life I will keep on working. As long as these tin cans are fit to use. I'll drink my beer in the tavern. I'll swing along into these working hours. Up.
Jane in tonight.
Baby.
And, a little while ago when she first came up with Johnny and she was learning to play, I think she did one song. Then the next time she did 2 songs. Now she did like 6 songs. Next gig, you're doing all the songs, so get ready. Thank you, Jane. We love you, honey. Johnny?
Yes, sir.
Hey, we went over going over. We're going to go an hour and a half overtime, and now we're going an hour and a half plus overtime. So, Johnny, do a closer for us.
Okay.
It can be slow, it can be fast, it can be whatever you feel like doing. Thanks for watching. We love you all. Janie, thank you. Everybody that showed up, Colleen and Kathy and Luanne and Susie and Kim, great job. Tom, thank you.
The bottle let me down.
And we're going to close up. Merle Haggard, the bottle let me down.
One, two, dog, two.